birthday, and we're here with too many people to count. All the Cal surfing crew from the Thursday meeting, all over the world representing. I don't know what's your names, but y'all representing. You know how we go. Some of them drinking alcohol, dancing. Yeah. Some people are just chilling. She's like, yeah, chilling, representing. Some people already wild, even though they didn't drink yet. Woo! Sheila's representing. And there's some more people over there. Woo!
All the way from Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico! Yes, y'all. This is how we do every day, all day. Cal surfing, up away in Rio de Janeiro. Bra, bra, bra.